Continuing the Aquaria installation at the greenhouse here in Georgetown. Just kind of wanted to come back and touch base on the wires now that we ran out of our conduits here. So we have a total of four lines that are going to be going to the back. At this point, we're ready to move forward and get the machines set, and we'll show you. We have a few of the machines outside set already, and we need to get the one inside set as well. So just to kind of touch base, the wired again for our Hydropack X, due to the long run, we went with the 6 AUG. You could do an 8 AUG depending if it's not longer than 50 feet, but a 6 AUG, definitely just to be on the safe side. And again, we ran flex conduit here in order for this to stay inside of the greenhouse, not get affected by water or anything like that. So again, 6 AUG for our Hydropack X, and then for our external plug, in order for the pump to work and make sure that the customer is able to flow the Aquaria water or Aquaria made water into their home. We put a plug outside near the units in order for them to be able to kind of pump in the water from that has been created and been stored in their storage tank outside, which we'll see here in a second. So on your wire, you can do a 10-2 or a 12-2. Again, we do a 10-2. We rather be a little bit safer. With our long runs here specifically, this is almost 200 feet of feet of electrical wire of this size in order to get to the actual plug. So again, we went with the 10-2. You could do a 12-2 depending if it's not too far away, but a 12-2 or 10-2 should work just as fine. So, and again, for breakers, our plug, we use a 20 amp breaker for our plug. The Hydropack X requires a 50 amp. And they're double pole breakers for our units, and the actual plug could be on a single pole type of breaker. No need to go any bigger or anything like that. Our first electrical line, again for the unit inside, we use a typical junction box again, and our machines all of our units come with about a 30-foot cable pre-wired already. So again, we're just giving ourselves ample space to be able to work. The customer is actually wanting the unit to go right in this area. So we'll show you once we bring the unit through here, got to make some adjustments in this area. But we'll lay that unit out here. And again, for this specific unit, it's only a 20 amp double pole breaker. The customer already has some plugs here in case of any future use for a pump or anything like that. But we're pretty much set. We're pretty close. This is our line coming in. We'll be tying in through the bottom or the side once the unit is in place.